Today, we're going to learn how to express I'm hungry in Chinese. 我饿了. We have already learned the first and second Chinese characters from the previous lessons, and there's only one new Chinese character, 了. And there's a question mark on the tone because the tone for this character is not exactly any four tones that we learned before. It's a very light sound, 了. Please repeat after me. 了 了 了 了 And together, I'm hungry is 我饿了我饿了我饿了 Now a little bit faster. 我饿了我饿了我饿了我饿了 Yes, you've guessed it. It's time to review. Apple or apples? 苹果苹果 Banana or bananas? 香蕉香蕉 Grape or grapes? 葡萄葡萄 Orange or oranges? 橙子橙子 Strawberry or strawberries? 草莓草莓 Peach or peaches? 桃子桃子 Watermelon 西瓜西瓜 Some grapes 一些葡萄一些葡萄 I wanna eat an apple 我想吃一个苹果我想吃一个苹果I wanna eat a banana 我想吃一条香蕉我想吃一条香蕉 I wanna eat some grapes 我想吃一些葡萄我想吃一些葡萄 Delicious or yummy 好吃好吃 I'm hungry 我饿了我饿了 Well done 好样的 See you tomorrow 明天见 I've spent lots of time, energy and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.